it's Pam Covey. I'm the realtor and also the real estate investor myself. Today, I want to talk to you about different type of loan to buying the home. There are so many different types, but I want to talk only about a few loans. Maybe next time I will invite the loan officer to come to talk about different type of loan you can buy. Let's talk about the FHA loan. FHA loan is for first time home buyer. The down payment for this loan is 3.5%. And sometimes you can ask the seller assistant the money help from the seller and also the money help from the bank, which is good because you can use the money to buy the home very little. Again, it's said for first-time buyer or people who never own the home within 2 or 3 years. It depends on the state. Check with your lender to see what they say and then again you have to live in that home to use this loan at least for 1 year. Second is VA loan, is the loan for veterinarian. So it means you have to be in the service. You have to have been in the service before, or the family of the military or the service, serve the country. And then the benefit of this loan is you don't have to put any money down. It's 0% down payment and no PMI. It means when you put down payment, when you buy the home, you can put 0 money down. You can ask for seller assistance, and sometimes the bank will offer the money to help you and you get low interest rate. But this program for people or the family who have been in the service. So if you have that, it's very good benefit for that buyer. And when you buy the home, you can buy the home for this loan for one loan only. For example, you buy the townhouse and then you want to rent it out, or you want to buy the bigger home with this loan. You have to sell this home to buy the new home to use the VA loan, or you have to refinance to keep the current home to different type of loan before you apply for another VA loan for the new home. So you can have only one per person per loan. The third one is the conventional. Conventional loan is divided to, you can put 3% down for first time buyer. They have the program, and for people, but the requirement is you're gonna have to have some certain income, not go over the limit. Second is 5% down. It means you probably have more money, you earn more income, you have a better credit, then you not qualify for 3% conventional. It have to be 5% conventional. And then 10% is just like 5%, and then 20%, which normally traditional buyer they put at least 20% down to help them. They don't have to pay PMI, private mortgage insurance, to the lender. So which is normal, which most of people do. And another thing is private lender. Like you get hard money, you borrow money from private lender, not through the bank, which is you normally pay interest rate more than the bank. But also in the contract, you might have to pay money back to the lender, to private lender, instead of like 20 year, 30 years loan, you might have to pay them back within 5 years, for example. And another loan is a commercial loan. Commercial loan is used for commercial or the rental units that are more than some certain unit. It means more than 1 or 2. Sometimes it's like more than 5 units. It's commercial loan. It depends on the state. You have to ask your lender again. Another thing is the government program. The government program is depend on the state. Where you live in, ask your lender if they have the help from the government program for the first time buyer, that the government will give you money to buy the home. And also the good news I heard is the new administration, they will offer 15,000 for the first time buyer in money help assistance for first time buyer, so they can have money to buy the home. But this is not approved, just the new. I want to bring it out there for the first time buyer that you might get more settlement help from the government. However, it's not approved yet, so maybe yes, maybe no. I hope this information helping you to understand about the loan type a little bit. Again, I'm not the lender, I'm not the loan officer. It's just the knowledge I want to share with my buyer. And if you want more information, you talk to the lender and they will give you all those information in detail. I hope you like the content. Please subscribe, please hit like to help the YouTube algorithm. In the meantime, stay invest and do well.